Bro, I could just take a nap right now, but I gotta go. It's so comfortable right now. What's up, everybody? I'm on a day 2 of the varnish work, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I've got, this is 1 coat. I'm supposed to do 3 coats, so I've got it still taped off. And yeah, I've just cleaned it off and touched up some little areas with sandpaper, and I'm gonna try to put another coat on. See, it just really brings out that really like woody look to it. It looks amazing. I think this is walnut. My boat's looking like. You see the varnish is coming out very nice. Leave a thumbs up if you guys like this channel. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Loosening up these lines, I'll start the motor. I gotta untie my dinghy. And yeah, we should be on the way. My jib sheet got caught up around this anchor line. Before it gets in the water. Okay, I got that all untangled, so I'll just go ahead and start up the motor. Alright, here we go. About to just get out of the aloha, go anchor in Waikiki, just cruise around for a second. And try to catch some fish. Yeah. A lot of traffic. So many people. I'm gonna run up to the front. Try to grab that jib. I'm just gonna get away from all these people because I'm solo right now, so I don't want to run into anybody. Got the man and the jib up. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm hitting about 2.7 knots, and I'm just taking a upwind little trip to the top, to the middle of like kind of Waikiki. You can see there's diamond right there. I'm just gonna drop in here between all these commercial vessels. dropped anchor in about probably like 30 feet of water. I see my friends right there. I'm gonna go say what's up to them. Sailing Eva. Main thing, I'm just checking to see if my anchor is solid. What up, buddy? Good, bro. I'm about to just hit up a dive spot, catch a couple of fish. Headed back to the boat. Just caught a small little parrot. Gonna eat that. My catch. Already cleaned it out, so he should be good for me. So comfortable right now. Gonna let that fry for maybe like 5 minutes.